Alright, this catalyst converter
Way
is
inside.
showing up.
Way inside.
The customer brought his car and then check light is on. It experienced poor performance of the engine. Then I put machine on top. Then I diagnose it, and then the machine bring out code that's fuel trim system lane. So I change the oxygen sensor. That's the bank 1 oxygen sensor. Yes, bank 1 oxygen sensor. Then I see that still the code is popping up. It's still showing up. Then I remove the catalyst converter. That's the case. Yes, I remove it and I check inside. Now, as you can see, it has broke inside pieces. So I changed the case and I gave it empty and check out. And I check out and I fix the empty one. Then the fuel trim system lane went off, engine light went off, and the car is performing right. So this means this one is not good. So I changed